Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Saral Trader. So we are going to review the markets. The first we are going to do is Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, this is let's see the half an hour chart. So we got a breakout here, and then we were in a breakout mode. And then on Friday, there was a surprise attack by the bears, and we were continuously falling. And today, we again opened almost at the we opened flat and then went down, and then there was some kind of a move. There is no signal at all, and then the entire move was fizzled out. So selling pressure is pretty high, and towards the end some high tech stocks like Nvidia also broke, so that is also affecting. However, Apple is very stable. We'll see Apple chart later, but for now, we are at a very strong support. This was a turning point and a lot of struggle happened here. So my view is that this zone, which is 519 to 511, is going to be a very strong demand zone. So we are holding our hedges. I will still not rolled over. I will roll over my hedges and we will hold on this. We'll wait in this area for a turnaround signal to come in. If we keep falling, that's fine. We'll roll over when our support hits, and then we'll wait to add to new positions. So we are still maintaining our long bias here. Now let's see the small cap index. The small cap index also had a very sharp fall. This is the hourly setup, and we just kept falling. And today, again, as we opened up, we opened a little higher, and then again this hourly candle. Look at this massive kind of fall again. They tried to trigger, but it reached a key support of 215, and then where it reversed. If you look at there was a very sharp recovery, and then again, we got the signal, but the signal was reversed. So there is a lot of pressure coming in, and this is the zone where the sellers are finding. So if we are able to reverse and close above this area, even on an hourly candle, you know hourly candle, we need a close above this area, and then possible opening to 222, 221 will open up. So if you look at the daily charts, we are at the oversold levels now. So in the oversold system, we are buying small cap other indices like CAF, CALF, and also UWM we have bought today in our counter trend system. So we are in an oversold zone now. If this level is broken, which is 214, and this level will be broken if we close around 210, then bears will gain upper hand, and then we will have to see what we do. As of now, I am long and I am holding my positions with my hedges currently. Now let's see. So this is the index. If you want to get the futures trading signals with hedges, you can reach out to me. You can join our free Telegram channel, or you can follow me on Twitter as well. Now let's see some of the stock setups that are playing out. So the first one is Nvidia, where I have a long position, and my view was that we will move up. And currently, if you see the setup, we are still in a bullish mode, and we have reached exactly where the signal started. So I told last time that 126, as long as we are above 126, the signal should hold. But the selling today was really very strong. Selling happened today in the last couple of hours. This selling happened, and we are at very key support. So if this support breaks, and then till the time we are trading above 125, 126, we can hold our position. If we go below that, then I will just hold it with my hedges and wait for a turnaround. Similar structure, is there in Micron. Now Micron is taking huge resistance at this pivot. You know, it went down again. There is a sell. Then there is a dump. Now dump is again there, and my view is that knowing Micron, we may be heading much lower to 90, 92 kind of levels, even further lower. That's where some interest will be there, because right now we are again in a it looks like for last 6 months or so, stock has been operating in a very wide range. It's a volatile stock, so it has a very wider range, but it has been trapping bulls and bears both. So it's very volatile. If you want to play it, Micron, always have hedges with you. Similar structure. Then too, I entered. We entered today at Saral in the CALF ETF. Now CALF is the cash cow or the high free cash flow companies in the small cap sector. So it's a relatively a safer bet because companies are profitable and have cash flows. It has reached our key matrices, so we bought it. And then the other trade was in CMG. Now CMG is Chipotle Mexican Grill. Again, it is a counter trend trade, so I added to my position today, and we will just hold and wait. Either it can go up and hit our target, or it will go down, and then we'll see if we have to add more. Then I was looking at Apple. Apple is surprisingly holding, the position. It is not falling like Nvidia and other large caps are falling, but it's holding. And let's see, we are bullish on this. And if it comes down to areas of 235 to 230, we will be adding more. So that's Nvidia. Now, so we had CMG, GOF, Tesla, AMD. We can quickly look at AMD. So AMD, again, as I said in my weekly review on Twitter as well, we are in this falling channel, and it was not able to sustain above the channel, and now it has a breakdown on this candle, and then further selling off has started. Now we are at 108. My view is if this support is broken, then we're straight away going to 102 to 100 kind of a range. And then we will have to see how this shapes up. Everything depends on Nvidia's results now. If the results are not good, we might be heading lower. Now let's see crude oil. So had a breakdown on crude oil had a breakdown on Friday, and it went 3% down. Sorry, somebody is really desperately trying to reach me. I'll just. So it had a major breakdown, and today again we were range bound within a wide range of 70, 80, 90 to lower range, almost $1 range, but we ended with a swing signal. So I rolled over my hedge and I'm waiting. My view is that we will again move towards 71, 80, 72 kind of levels. So let's see how this plays out. So this is crude oil. Um, that's pretty much what I wanted to cover. If you have any stocks that you want to cover, do let me know and we'll take it up from there. Thank you.